Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to sign out Microsoft account on Windows 11. So first things first, what you're going to do here is you have to open your settings. And then here on your settings, you have to look for your profile. Basically, you can just sign in by tapping your profile. You can click your profile picture or account icon in the start menu. You can select sign out to log out. Now you can also switch from Microsoft account to local account. All you have to do here is go to your settings, open your settings. You can go to the start menu and then search for settings right here. In the settings, you have to look for account and then here you have to scroll down and then look for accounts, your info. Click sign in with a local account instead. Follow the prompts. You may need to confirm your Microsoft account password or PIN. Complete setting up your local account and sign out and vice versa. So after switching, all local files and apps remain intact. Nothing is deleted. For removing a Microsoft account from Windows 11, you can go to Settings, Accounts. If it's a work school account, go to Access Work or School and click Disconnect. For other users, Microsoft account listed under Other Users, select the account and click Remove. Lastly, sign out everywhere, just the PC, to ensure your Microsoft account is signed out from all browsers, apps, and devices. What you're going to do is you have to go to your Microsoft account dashboard, go to Advanced Security, scroll down, and look for sign out everywhere. And what you're going to do is you have to click this one. It may take up 24 hours to sign in or sign you out from all sessions. So basically, these are the ways on how to sign out Microsoft account on Windows 11. You can just basically go to settings, account your info, and then sign out your account or go to advanced security dashboard and sign out everywhere. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.